type 2. So we have the test. So let's just you see, we have the vertical type 2. The vertical, what's going to do is that going to type in a vertical manner. The horizontal is going to type in a horizontal manner, means I'm going to go from left to right. The vertical is going to move from up to down. You get it? Then we have a vertical type mass 2. That one too is going to see how it has been done here. So now let's just focus on the horizontal type 2. Basically how normally we type. So just click like this. So right click here, then we have this one here. So this is a preset. Normally these words come. So you see on top you have the circle being counted, and you have this the correct sign. This one means that you don't want what you've done, so just close it. And the correct means that you want it. So let's start the whole thing again. You see, normally it's the preset, so you get this. It has been highlighted, so you can just go ahead and type. Don't worry yourself clicking anywhere. So let's say you want to type hello. So normal typing, the way we type on our keyboard. So hello. So that's it. Okay, now we want to change the color of the font. So we can start, if you want to change the font color, we can begin by just changing it up here before you even type. So let's say, let me change this one to white before I even type. So when I type, you see the color has been affected. Yes, or yes, so if I'm done typing the hello and I want to change the color, just select the correct sign that I showed you up here. Then I come to this side. As I always tell you, that if you are not doing anything, you are not using it, just come to the selection tool. Then you go to properties. When you go to properties, you see this is like layers, and you have like human beings. The hand has its own property. So every layer has its property. So this is a property that we have here. So you come to properties. These are the functions. Okay. Now we look down here. We have okay. Well, let's talk about the font. So we have font. You have Montserrat. You see, yes. So we have different fonts. When you many of them. So you choose the one that you like. Yeah, so I normally like Montserrat. It's very good. And Montserrat is not a preset. It's not a default font. You have to download. Yes, in the next video I'm going to show you how to download some of these fonts. Okay, so let's choose Montserrat. Let's go to Avango. This one too I downloaded it. So when I go to the side, then you come to this is the font size. So if I want to increase a little bit, so let's say I go to 300. So you see, yes, let's have the spacing. This one deals with the spacing. So let's say I have hello world. So this is a space in between them. So always I advise that you come to selection to. So what's the space? So let me increase the space to, let's say, 350. You see has been spaced, or that is space. Then this one deals with the spaces between the alphabets. So here minus means I have to be closed up, and the plus means I have to be open up. So let's go 75. You see 75 has opened it up. Okay, if you want to change the color to the color is here, so you can change it to any color. Also, let's say you want to change it to green now. So you see this, and that's it. Yes, and with the help of the selection tool, you can make it smaller, as I showed you in the first video, my video about the circles. And see, so it will affect the font size automatically. See, once I compress it, the font size here is automatically affected. That's how the whole thing is being done. Okay, now we come to this side. So you see, this is the paragraphs. If you want it to be aligned left, you have it here. To be messed up like this, you want to be aligned right, do that. Then we have these ones also. Then we have the type option. So in the next video I'm going to show you how these ones work. Okay, but thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and share for me. Thank you.